In this video, I'm going to teach you how to have two OneDrive accounts on one computer. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your actual PC or computer and then head over to your browser, locate the Microsoft.com, and from in there you can find OneDrive under the products. So you can also do this natively on your actual OneDrive on your PC, or you can also do this on the browser. From there, click on this Create Free Account in order to sign up for your first account. If you already have it, click on this Sign In option. So here is my actual OneDrive. I've already signed in and this is my first account. So what I want to do is I want to have another OneDrive account. So in that way, I have total of two. So in order to do that, you first need to just click onto your profile icon right here and proceed to click onto the Add Account option. Click onto this Sign In with different account. Once you have done that, it will open right here this part. You can just proceed to input right here your email, phone, or Skype, and then from in there, proceed to click on next in order to sign in. However, if you just want to create a new one, click on this create one option. And then from in there, just proceed to actually choose right here the account. Click onto this sign in with different. Enter right here your details or click onto this create an account again. From in there, you will be prompted to the sign up page. Just enter right here the email that you wish to use. So let me input right here my email that I want. Once you have inputted it, click on this next option and from in there, this should be able to load and ask you to verify your email. It will send you a code that you can just input right here in order to verify it. And after that, you can just proceed to input other details such as name, address, and the likes in order to successfully create an account. Once you have signed in your another account, you will have two accounts on one device altogether. So that's how you have two OneDrive accounts on one computer. Hope we helped.